Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer data with Airtable step by step clearly. Open Airtable and log into your account. Select the base you want to transfer data from. Click on the table that contains the data you wish to export. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the View menu. Choose the grid view for a clear layout of your data. Once your data is visible, click on the download icon in the top right corner. Select Download as CSV from the drop-down options. Choose a location on your computer to save the CSV file and click Save. Next, open the. If you haven't created a new table yet, click on Add a Table. Select Import Data from the options available. Choose CSV file from the import options. Locate the CSV file you previously downloaded and select it. Click the Open button to start the import process. A dialog box will appear to help you map the fields correctly. Review the field mapping to ensure each column aligns with the right data type. Click the Import button to complete the process. Wait for the upload to finish, and review your new table for accuracy. If any adjustments are needed, you can edit the cells directly in Airtable. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your data with Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.